Before diving into the remedies, it's important to understand what causes wrinkles. Wrinkles are a natural part of the aging process and occur as the skin loses its elasticity and becomes thinner over time. This is largely due to a decrease in collagen production, a protein that provides structure to the skin. In fact, our collagen begins decreasing as soon as we turn 20. There are several natural remedies that may help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. 1. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins and may help repair damaged skin cells and boost collagen production. Applying the gel to your skin regularly could potentially yield positive results. 2. Coconut oil. Massaging coconut oil into your skin may keep it moisturized and could help prevent wrinkle formation. It's generally recommended to do this before bed to allow the oil to fully absorb overnight. 3. Facial exercises. If you're wondering how to potentially reduce the appearance of forehead wrinkles, facial exercises might be worth a try. These exercises can strengthen the muscles in your face and may reduce the depth of wrinkles. 4. Cucumber slices or chilled tea bags. For those looking for home remedies for wrinkles under the eyes, consider using cucumber slices or chilled tea bags. Both have anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce puffiness and smooth out wrinkles. Simply place them over your eyes for about 15 minutes each day. Check out the best anti-aging skincare serum. Link in profile bio or description box.